Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelvin. Welcome back to another video. If you're new, feel most welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I appreciate you guys so much. And to my premier gang, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. Yeah. So guys, in today's video, we are just going to clean up the fridge. I want to take you through how I normally clean my fridge. So to start with, I remove everything from the fridge, plus all the compartments and all the layer shelves you see. Yes, so kindly stay tuned and don't forget to like the video.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now,
so normally another thing I do before I start cleaning the fridge, I defrost it. I do it earlier, but on this day had forgotten to do that earlier. So I just removed everything, then let it to defrost for a while for just the ice to melt out. Yeah, and I go into the cleaning. So the next thing, I also removed all the tomatoes I had from the fridge that I am going to rewash, and you will see that shortly.
this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
Normally, if I'm doing a deep clean, or rather a thorough cleaning, the fridge, after removing all the compartments, I prefer washing them, let them dry before I return them. But on normal days, if I'm not doing a deep clean, I just use the vinegar mixture and wipe the fridge. Yeah, and that's it. So for this day, I was doing a deep clean, and I decided to wash all the compartments before I wiped the fridge.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away.
To wipe the fridge, I do it twice. The first round, I just use some water with the dish washing liquid soap. So I'll just wipe and remove all the dirt with with that water. Then on the second round, I will just use the vinegar mixture. Yeah. So at this point, the fridge had not like defrost like all the ice in it, but I couldn't wait for long, so I just decided to clean. And it was the water that has defrost from the fridge was dropping there, but I later on managed to remove the ice. And remember, it is not advisable to use sharp tool to remove the ice from the fridge, so you just let it defrost by itself, and that's why it has the defrost button. If yours has, I think all other refrigerators has that. So you let it defrost, then you can go ahead and wipe your fridge.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
So after wiping the fridge with the vinegar mixture, I use a clean towel. That's a dry one, just to dry it off perfectly before I return back all the compartments and all the glass layers that are supposed to be inside.
'cause lately I've been
Hey guys, so this is everything that I'm supposed to return to the fridge. Yeah, I just need to wipe all these before I return them. Sorry about the background noise, that's just the microwave. I'm trying to defrost the githeri that I'm going to store here. I got this from Naivas at 55 bob each. Yeah, there are 4. So behind here I have this go fruit juice, and these are tomato sauce, tomato paste here. Then these, I've forgotten how it's called in English, but I'll check on that. These we use for the kienyeji veggies. I have here more tomato sauce. Then I need to also pack these ones, and more githeri here. This is cheese. I have some leftover skuma here, and some Ilara yogurt, and this is chili. So all these are supposed to go in the fridge. I just want to wait for the githeri to defrost. Then I can also defrost these, then pack them all here. Then I store them in the freezer. Yep.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me.
So something else I usually do before, when I clean my fridge and I've removed everything from the fridge, I wipe all of them using the vinegar mixture before I arrange them back. And yeah, I just prefer it that way because they've like stayed for quite some time in the fridge, and they need to go back clean and neatly organized. So, guys, at this point, I want to give a shout out to a beautiful, amazing mom. She is so amazing. Her name is Jane Langat. If you love it here, I promise you, you will love it there. Kindly, she has a YouTube channel. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel. Go there, watch and subscribe. Just don't go there and subscribe before you've watched. You watch the video first, you leave a comment, then you subscribe. Just tell her Shelvin sent you, and yeah, I promise you will love her channel. So I learned this hack from her, just how to divide your sausages. Like for us in this house, people take a lot of sausages, so this is a very good hack. Just you can put wrap up maybe 3 or 4 with a clean film, then you store them in the fridge. So when you want to have sausages, you'll just pick a pack, the ones that you have divided, maybe 1, maybe 2, and with that they can stay for quite some time. Yeah, so kindly don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
So here's our githeri. I tried defrosting it, but it didn't go well. Like all of it didn't defrost. So I'll just pack the little that had defrosted and return the rest in the fridge to defrost, in the microwave, sorry, to defrost. Yeah, then I'll go ahead and arrange all the things you see there in the fridge.
Yeah, if we don't end up together, let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love.
So I want to take this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, feel most welcomed. I go by the name Shelvin and my channel name is Shelvin. If you're new, karibu sana. In this channel we do everything that concerns homemaking, that is cleaning, cooking, organization and hacks here and there. Yeah, so if you love such kind of content, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded you oh my god, anytime a video is uploaded, you'll be among the first people to get notified. Yeah,
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom,
I usually keep my milk in the fridge because sometimes we have milk, maybe with cake or something. So I prefer it when it's cold. So I just remove some, store in the fridge, and the rest just remain in the box.
you ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So, guys, if you've watched up to this point, I appreciate you guys. I don't take your support for granted. Thank you so much. And you guys really motivate me, like just by watching my Vlogmas videos. I appreciate you guys so much, and that keeps me going. That gives me the energy to do more and more videos. Yeah, so I hope you stick around until we finish Vlogmas. Not just until we finish Vlogmas, but you stick around on this channel forever. Yeah, so right now I'm done cleaning the fridge. I am done with the organization here. So the next thing I am going to do is to rewash all the tomatoes that I had removed from the fridge, and I'll just use a vinegar mixture. Then after that I will return them in the fridge and we will be done.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So guys, I'm done with the organization here. So to the freezer side, we have, these are just githeri. I normally just boil githeri and maybe green grams, beans, and keep them here. As you can see, it's not that big, so I don't put a lot here. So there we have githeri. Then on this side, just close to the freezer, I have the sausages. Yeah, they're kept here due to the cold they'll receive from this side. Yeah, so here I normally leave this space for just to put some meals like this one, just some leftover. So if there's no meal here, this space is usually blank. Then here I have some milk, and I have some yogurts there. Behind there I have tomato paste, and that is cheese. Then here I have the red, yellow, and green capsicum, some water, juice. Then here I have the tomatoes. Yeah. So moving to this side, I'm supposed to put some eggs here that I've not bought. Then these tomatoes you see here, zimeiva kabisa. So I don't mix them with the other one. These ones I'm going to use today. Then here we have the go fruit juice, and down here Down here, these are just tomato sauce. This one I had mentioned, I've forgotten the name totally, but if I remember, I'll let you know. Yeah, so we use this for the kienyeji veggies, and here I have the tomato paste. I normally keep them in the fridge. Yeah, so that's it for my fridge organization. I don't keep much. I don't like cook and store food in the fridge because I usually forget sometimes. So that's it.